What's up you guys, it's Preetham here. So this is going to be another video from my 100-day video challenge, and if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Preetham. I'm a professional cook based in the USA working at a healthcare right now. So I started a YouTube channel and I took a challenge for almost 100 days that I have to put up like videos every day and each day, and no matter whatever the topic is. Currently, if you can see here, this is freaking mind-blowing right now. Oh my god. So this is the third time of the snow that I have experienced after coming here in Indianapolis, and this is, it's not really good. Sometimes the temperature is right now, it's 10 degrees Celsius and minus 10, my bad. So what it does actually, it makes people's life really harder. Like, you can understand the snow is really good, but like tomorrow when I will go to work, I have to probably walk, or maybe have a ride share with my friend and something like that. And if you can see over there, I don't know you can see it or not, I don't see right there, on that place over like 5 minutes of drive. I work over there, and it's really 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 close from my apartment number 9, which is lucky number, my birth date. And yeah, so that was up to date from today, and feel free to subscribe and like this video, share if you want to. Have a good day, good evening, good afternoon, and I'll see you shortly.